Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. And in today's video, it's actually going to be about the C230 right there. We got a few things, I actually got an address on it. So ever since I got the C230 here, you guys know right away I put on aftermarket wheels on here. And so, I got pretty good tires on the car itself and, rocked them for a while. And now, obviously, you guys can tell the stock wheels are on. I've had the stock wheels on for a while now. And ever since I got this car, actually, these wheels or tires were, take a look at it. The tires were actually not good at all, but it wasn't this bad. And so, just driving it around for a while, I noticed, I'm starting to see, threads on the tires. So I figured, hey, this is actually, something I have to address here. So we are actually going to be replacing the front two tires on the car. The rear tires are in really, really good shape. Take a look at that. So there's still some pretty good tread on the tires here, but on the fronts, it's really bad. You guys have seen that one on the passenger side. The driver's side, it's pretty bad also. It's not that bad like the other side, but you can see, it's about done here. And I'm not sure how old these tires are. Actually, you can see they're made in 2018. So I figured, let's just replace the front two tires. Obviously, the rear here, that one is also in pretty good shape. Not the greatest, but it's in pretty good shape. I've got new tires for them. These are the tires right here. So this video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to mention out the company here, Uniitedtires. I found out this company, and they actually sell very, very great tires for really, really good prices. And I'm not sure if someone told me about it or I just found out about it, but man, these tires right here, look at them. See the thread on here? This is about a 9 or 10 out of 32. So pretty much that rating means it is brand new, pretty much. These are, let me see the brand. Milestar. And I've read really good stuff about this brand, and actually this brand is really, really good. So guess how much I got these tires for? $108. Yeah, that's how cheap they go on this site. And also keep in mind, it's free shipping, so they ship pretty quickly. And man, this is the second time I bought tires from this company. Actually, the first time I bought tires were for the black car when we got the aftermarket wheels for them. And how much did I spend on it? About $200-ish. And those tires were pretty much brand new as well, and they were in really good shape. They were Toyo tires, I believe. But man, so I'm excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and get these tires mounted on the car, and we should be good to go. You guys hear the exhaust? All right, the engine is still cold, so I'll take it easy here.
I will sell it for no money. No money to buy money.
Guys, check out how bad the tires are. Let me. Ooh, that's really bad. I'm glad I got this situated here. The tire can't even stay straight. Guys, check it out. It's literally crooked. It can't stay straight.
You ready?
Yeah. Thanks, by the way. Let's check out how these rotors are looking so far. Not bad. A little rust here and there, just because it doesn't move around that often. It just sits a lot. How's your day going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Nice. You don't mind being on video, do you? It's for my YouTube channel.
Yeah, I can that one.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Look at the angle of this tire. I can't even hold it straight. It just keeps falling. Anyways, guys, I am really glad I got these tires replaced because, you know, they were really bad and I could feel it, you know, whenever I drive or turn the steering wheel. All right, so we're back, and I gotta tell you guys, the car actually drives a lot better. I didn't know how bad the tires were. Yeah, it's a lot better now, guys. The feel of the car feels a lot better. Just the steering in general. Obviously, you know, the wheels are super dirty, so ignore that. But these tires are looking pretty good on here. You know, I always go to that tire shop because, you know, in the past they've done a really great job, you know, with this car. So this will be the end of the video, guys, and like I said, it's gonna be a short video. I figured, you know, I'll get a video out there for you guys since we haven't done a video on it lately. But really stay tuned for, you know, the CLK, because I've got a few videos on it, and you guys don't want to miss this one out at all. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it out at all. New modifications, that's the only hint I'm gonna give you. You guys would be at least excited about this modification. So I'm gonna close it out here. If you guys are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you do enjoy the content on this channel and actually keep forgetting to subscribe, hey, hit that subscribe button, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.